Hey, what's up guys, this is Rishabh here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am gonna show you guys a really interesting gadget. It is a budget Bluetooth speaker guys. I purchased it from Flipkart for only 800 rupees. So this is the box I received from Flipkart. It has a nice packing. Let me check out the box from all the sides. Let me grab my knife and cut this tape. This is just an unboxing video guys, not a review one. Let me open the box. Okay, it's time to open the box. Let me see inside the box. It has some paperwork. I guess this is the invoice of the product. Let me check out. Okay, let's keep aside. And this is the Photron P10 Bluetooth speaker guys. The box is very well packed in a bubble wrap. Let me open this. The box looks very nice. You got a picture of a speaker on the front and everything is written in it. At the back you got some specs of the speaker. The model is Photron P10. It has a Bluetooth range of 10 meter and has a 400 mAh lithium polymer battery, which will give a backup of 2.5 hours. There is nothing much written on the box. Let me open the box. Let me cut this tape. Here we go. Let me open this box also. Just look at this beautiful piece of tech. The build quality looks very nice. It is made up of aluminium and high quality plastic at the bottom. Let's keep aside for now. See what else we got in the box. There is some paperwork. I guess it is a manual. It is completely written in English. Let me just put it down and check out this section. This section have a cable. This is micro USB to standard USB cable with aux input. The quality of the cable is not good. It is very cheap. So that's for all today. If you liked the video, please make sure you give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.